Kumbaga po sa hindi drawing. Hindi po drawing ang mga proyekto ng PCCI Valenzuela. Kaya hindi po kayo mahihiyang magyaya na maging member ng PCCI Valenzuela. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Last February 21, during our KPCCI talk, surplus fabrics and buttons were donated to 3 barangays: Mapulang Lupa, Balangkas, and Ugong.
Thank you.
Instead of becoming waste, these materials will now be used for community livelihood and upcycling projects, transforming discarded materials into products that can generate income for residents. This is exactly the kind of impact we want to create, where business, community, and sustainability work together. And now, I'm happy to announce that Barangay Mapulang Lupa have used these fabrics and made them into blouses, pajamas, and casual wears.
Thank you.
Makikita niyo po sa likod.
Thank you, PCCI.
Kaya lang po, dahil naubos na, hindi nyo na po makikita. Kaya sa picture na lang po kayo tumingin. While Barangay Balangkas made them into bags. Balangkas, kaway-kaway, sold out si Balangkas. Wala nang paninda. Okay? Again, makikita niyo yung tinda nila dito sa photos na lang. These are all available for selling. So, the latest is yung binisita ko po just a few days ago, ang Valenzuela BJMP, email dorm po, in-endorse po sila sa akin ng Lady po. So I visited them kasi hindi ko pa po sila kilala. So, and now, worry ko ba napakalaki ng benta ninyo, Bel, ano? And PCCI Valenzuela is very, very happy to know that na yung ating mga bisita po ay natulungan ang mga livelihood projects natin. Okay? This initiative demonstrates how the Chamber can connect businesses, partners, and communities to create meaningful impact through sustainability and livelihood development. Looking ahead, PCCI Valenzuela continues to develop programs that empower entrepreneurs and strengthen our community. One of our flagship initiatives is the Zero Waste to Landfill program, where we will submit a proposal to the Department of Science and Technology under the CEST program to strengthen the material recovery facilities in Tagalak and Balangkas through circular economy innovations. Among our upcoming initiatives are 1. The Tuina Acupressure Massage for Livelihood Training Program through the endorsement of Senator Nikki, of Dr. Tan Cho Chong, who is the founder of Livelihood Training Program, Mga Gawa. In this program, participants will be trained in wellness therapy skills for 3 days. We already had an initial meeting and planning last March 2. Secondly, we will hold Ease of Doing Business Forum in one of our KPCCI talks, which will guide entrepreneurs in navigating government KPCCI talks. And which in navigating government requirements. Thirdly, we will also start soon the fundraising through the selling of tickets, which will be launch later on, the proceeds of which will be used to help support micro-entrepreneurs, participate